Hey there, girlfriend. Have you ever wondered about an on-the-go foundation solution? Well, I have the perfect solution for you today. We'll see you on the other side. So let's talk about the perfect foundation solution. And why do I think it's perfect? Because it's ideal for people that are on the go. It's an on-the-go foundation solution. It's a great multitasker. It's great for vacations, errands, or the weekends when you just want to put on some makeup really quick and just hang out with family and friends. What would be the ideal solution for this? Girl, it is CC cream. And CC stands for complexion corrector. And the great thing about the CC cream, you may be thinking, well, what is it? It's complexion corrector. And it also allows you to have some skincare benefits in it as well. One of the 8 benefits of this complexion corrector is that first and foremost, it protects. It has an SPF of 15. So when you apply it to your skin, you are protecting your skin from the harmful UVA and UVB rays. It also brightens your complexion. So when you just want to have that nice glow, it does that as well. It corrects because it evens out your tone. So if you have any uneven skin tone, it's going to definitely allow you to do that. For those of the lighter persuasion, it minimizes redness. So if you have redness in your skin, you can put on the CC cream and it's going to correct that. It also helps conceal. So if you have any blemishes on your face, it's going to give you that nice, smooth complexion. It's going to hydrate. So if your skin is dry, it's definitely going to give you great hydration. It also reduces the visible signs of aging. And girl, it defends, like I said, because you have that sunscreen protection in there. So it's the great, ideal, on-the-go, multitasking type of product that you guys know that I'm all about. Because if you are going to your kids' games, or you just have those errands to run, it is really perfect for that. Now, one of the other great things that I love about this is that CC cream is really, really easy to match because there are only 5 shades to choose from. So if you are struggling to try to find your perfect match, CC cream could definitely be your solution, girlfriend. So one of the first shades that I want to show you is the light to medium. I mean, not the light to medium. It's the very light. So this is the very light CC cream, and it's for people that are a lighter persuasion. So if you are thinking that you have more of an ivory pale skin, that would probably be more for you. This is more, the next one is a light to medium. This is more for folks that are a deeper ivory, not the pale ivory. I would just say a deeper ivory that really works for your skin. So if you're a deeper ivory complexion, the light to medium would be better for you. Now the next one goes to the medium complexion. So if you have more of a medium complexion, you're easy to tan, this would probably be the better one for you because it's kind of the middle of the road. It's not light, it's not dark, it's kind of in the middle. So this would be more of a beige skin tone. Then moving on to the bronze portion of the spectrum, it would be the deep. So if you're a light bronze to medium bronze, this would be an ideal solution for you, would be the deep CC cream. And last but definitely not least, these are for my dark chocolate ladies. These is the very deep. So one of these 5 shades is going to be your perfect match, and that's one of the reasons why I love the CC cream, because it allows you to quickly match your skin and not really worry about the exact perfect match. It has more of a range that will be within your skin tone, and it will be easier for you to match when you use CC cream. So you may be wondering, well, you know, Inga, you have told us what the CC cream is. How do you actually put the CC cream on? So you can put the CC cream on with your fingers, although I don't really like to do that because I think, especially when you are putting makeup on your face, I'm a strong proponent of using a brush. to keep your fingers out of your face. One, because any bacteria that is on your hands or impurities that are on your hands are going to go on your face if you touch your face. So I'm a firm believer of using a brush. However, you can use your fingers, and you're just going to put the CC cream on top of the brush and then apply it on. So I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this. Okay, so what I've done is I've put a little bit of the CC cream on my hand. I like to put it on the outside of my hand. It just makes it really easy to apply on when you do it this way. I just put a little dot on my face, and if I did that, I just do it like that, and then I could just blend in a downward motion by blending it into my skin like that. However, if I wanted to, I could use the brush and do the same thing, and it allows me to really blend it in and not have my hands in my face. And like I said before, the reason I like to do that is because your hands have bacteria and impurities on them. And if you're an oily girl like me, you definitely want to keep your hands out of your face, because that's an easy way for you to get breakouts. So we talked about what the CC cream is. We talked about how to put the CC cream on. Now we are going to talk about what other people are saying about the CC cream. I don't want you just to take my word for it. We're going to hear from others right now. So I wanted to share the reviews from the CC cream, and there's been 154 reviews for the CC cream, and it has a rating of 4.9, y'all. And at the time of this recording, I wanted to share a couple of the reviews. First and foremost, the first review that I see is that she loves the color on her skin. So like I said before, it's really easy to match your complexion when you use the CC cream. We have another customer here that says, as an older woman, it finally found a foundation that works with my color and does not show all of my lines. So she is loving it too. Again, like I was saying, if you're looking for a product that will give your skin hydration, and typically folks of the older persuasion are lacking moisture, this product would definitely be for you. And it's easy to match, get your your skin tone match. And I'll just share a third one. It says she absolutely loves this for the lightweight, because it's lightweight and sunscreen coverage. And she's used it for the first time this summer. So she's actually absolutely fallen in love with it. So again, I wanted to share this with you so you know it's not just me saying that this product is awesome. There are 154 people at the time of this recording that just love this product and are dazed, glazed, and amazed about it. And 4.9 out of 5 has a 4.9 out of 5 rating. So get yours today. We're going to put the link down in the description. Like I said, it's really easy to match your complexion. Just let me know what color you want. And of course, share this with 3 friends, because I know foundation can really be a struggle. And for those of you that have not found your true foundation match, this one could be for you. Okay? Thanks again. And as always, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.